Today we're gonna be talking about LinkedIn and how to be successful there. I get this question a lot, and so we're gonna be diving in. What is up, everybody? My name is Zach Ford, and I am here to help you grow on social media. LinkedIn, it is a question that I get regularly. What should I be doing on LinkedIn? Should I be on LinkedIn? When I'm there, I feel like it's super gross and salesy. What do I do? And so real quick, I just wanna reach out to everybody that is in this dilemma of should I be joining LinkedIn? I hate what the vibe is when I go there. I hear you, I understand you.
I'm excited for the next steps in my career. I'd like to dedicate a special thanks to Sarah from HR, who has supported me on this great journey.
But yes, you should be on LinkedIn for a few different reasons, and I'll go over those with you right now. LinkedIn is an awesome platform to be able to get views right now. There is an amazing video feature that is on LinkedIn that you can upload content just like Reels or Shorts on YouTube and start distributing your message. Now, before you go crazy on LinkedIn, I think it's really important to be clear on how you are going to be providing value to that audience. For me, it's a great place to be teaching social media content and finding people who are trying to better themselves and grow themselves. The first thing that I would recommend anybody do on LinkedIn is really getting clear on what area you serve and if that audience is on LinkedIn. If you're a business, hardcore recommend being on LinkedIn to not just try to get new employees, new team members, but it's likely that the people that you are trying to reach are using LinkedIn. I think LinkedIn is going to be one of these platforms that breaks out beyond the career space. I think they went so deep into career mode.
And we have decided to promote Jim to the position of co-manager.
Co-manager of what?
Of your butt.
Long term, I can actually see them starting to break away from the career space. And so I keep my eyes on it from that perspective. And honestly, I stay present there because it is a great place to learn and grow. And they've really built out a name for themselves there. If you are looking to stand out on LinkedIn, you have to understand what types of content you can post there. You can post text posts, which can perform really well, but as we've all seen, they've become a mockery zone. Everybody's creating content that all looks and sounds the same. What I would recommend is tapping into the video feature or the carousel feature. LinkedIn has an awesome carousel feature that you can upload either a PDF or your PNG images into a sequential carousel like Instagram. These are really helpful for consuming content that maybe needs to stand out. And then specifically, what at the end of the day do you want to see happen because of your time on LinkedIn? Is it that you want to build more customers for your business? Then I would hardcore recommending to signing up to LinkedIn Premium, which will get you the ability to see who's viewed your profile, as well as send cold DMs out to other businesses. And so if you're in the merch industry and you want to get more merch customers, I would sign up for LinkedIn Premium and just send over like, hey, we're giving 30% off to all new customers this month for your first round of t-shirts. I would also just start going and being a part of a community or a conversation. Right now, you can search any conversation on LinkedIn. Let's say you're looking up, event locations. You can literally go into LinkedIn search and type event locations Nashville. And there will be people posting right now about needing a space or having a space or asking questions about what should I be looking for a corporate retreat. And let's say you do something in that line of work, you could go in, join the conversation, and LinkedIn has a feature right now that not a lot of people are talking about, which is LinkedIn is one of the few platforms that notifies everyone on that chain, let's say whoever's commenting on a certain topic. It will generally notify everyone that someone else has commented on that topic, or it will let people know what activity you're doing if they're already connected with you. Don't sleep on LinkedIn. I've never done a video directly about LinkedIn, but it is something that I use regularly to get new customers as well as teach and educate on. And so I see the value of it. I see the parts of it that are like super cringy.
It's cringe because it's corporate.
I don't want you guys to miss the opportunity that is growing on LinkedIn, whether it's through your business, whether it is through your overall audience. It's definitely happening on LinkedIn. And so I have gotten customers directly from LinkedIn from either posting something that was valuable to them and or sending a message to someone, and that led to coffee, and then that led to us getting their business. And so that really is a super secret hack I want you guys to lean into. I think getting better on presenting your content to that audience there will benefit you on TikTok and YouTube and Facebook. And so again, shout out LinkedIn, all of my LinkedIn bros, gals that are just crushing it out there. LinkedIn up. I don't even know. If you like what you see here, hit subscribe. We are so pumped to help you be growing on social media. As always, if you have questions, drop them in the comments below. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm your boy, Zach Ford. See you guys on the next video.